Today is 23rd January and today's chapter is Create a Ladder of Descending Goals, and the chapter starting with this paragraph. Operating with a long-term goals will bring you tremendous clarity and resolve. These goals, a project or business to create, for instance, can be relatively ambitious enough to bring out the best in you. The problem, however, is that they will also tend to generate anxiety as you look at all you have to do to reach them from the present vantage point. To manage such anxiety, you must create a ladder of smaller goals along the way, reaching down to the present. Such objectives are simpler the further down the ladder you go. You can realize them in relatively short time frames, giving you moments of satisfaction and a sense of progress. Always break tasks into smaller bites. Each day or week, you must have micro goals. This will help you focus and avoid entanglements or detours that will waste your energy. At the same time, you want to continually remind yourself of the larger goals to avoid losing track of it or getting too mired in details. Periodically return to your original vision and imagine the immense satisfaction you will have when it comes to fruition. This will give you clarity and inspire you forward. You will also want a degree of flexibility built into the process. At certain moments, you reassess your progress and adjust the various goals as necessary, constantly learning from experience and adapting and improving your original objective. Daily love. Remember that you are after a series of practical results and accomplishments, not a list of unrealized dreams and aborted projects. Working with smaller embedded goals will keep you moving in such a direction. This law is taken from the book The Laws of Human Nature, Law 13, which advance with a sense of purpose, the law of aimlessness. Thank you.